What's up, guys? Just want to do a quick video on the new 2025 Toyota 4runner TRD Off-Road Premium. We just purchased this for my wife. It's got 2.5-inch lift in the front, 1 inch in the rear, and 20s. Not necessarily my style, but I think it looks pretty darn good. But she's running 35's. And we've only put about 100 miles on it. It's pretty consistent at about 16 miles to the gallon, which is unbelievable. And it absolutely has, I mean, it pushes them way better than my, these are only 33.5s, which look like baby tires now next to hers. So it's absolutely awesome. So unfortunately, her Lexus was totaled. She was going the complete opposite way of somebody. And that a Jeep Gladiator got rear-ended. The Jeep Gladiator smashed her on the side. She's going westbound, he's going eastbound, and spun her around 180 and totaled her new Lexus. So we gave my daughter her old Lexus for her first car to drive. So we bought, my wife a new Lexus, and but it's the same exact car. She bought basically the same exact car again. So I said, why don't we just try something different this time? A little bigger, a little heftier, get you up in the air, feels safer, seems safer. But this thing is unbelievable. What a difference inside. I mean, the 360 cameras, she's got the sunroof, the heated cooled seats. I mean, Toyota did a really, really nice job on this thing. I cannot believe the gas mileage and the power that this thing has, with only 100 miles on it so far compared to mine. I just rolled over 5,000 miles on mine like a week or two ago. And I got a lot more weight, obviously, but those are 34.8-inch tires. They are only basically 11.7 wide, so they're not quite a 12 wide. But you can see there's not a huge difference, width-wise. Obviously, mine are definitely a little wider. I've got wheel spacers and negative 38 offset on mine. And I'm, obviously I'm quite heavy, winches and this, that, and the other thing, but I'm just so impressed with the power. I mean, it doesn't feel like it feels like it's got regular tires on it. It's incredible. I cannot believe the amount of power, and it's not that much more powerful, I feel like, than mine, but it's got a lot more torque. But I mean, you push the pedal and it just goes, and it cruises so nice. It's, everybody complains about the old reliable 6-cylinder, but this same motor was actually in my wife's Lexus, as a matter of fact, which was a 22. So this motor's been around for 4 or 5 years at least now. So I'm hoping it's all good, but yeah, it is. I think it looks phenomenal on the exterior. The rear seats are definitely, there's no doubt, the rear seat room is definitely smaller compared to mine. I don't care what Toyota says. There's no doubt it's smaller. And she's definitely got more room. I don't have the key. Say if I had the key, I could do the little kick thing, it'll open up. But it seems like there might be just a little bit more room back here. We did not go with the hybrid. I didn't want any of that crap. It's powerful for sure, but I don't think it's that much more powerful, to be quite honest with you, than this one. I don't think it's worth the money, and I don't really personally want to deal with any of the hybrid stuff, the batteries and all that. So she goes and gets her windows tinted probably Friday. We'll probably do some kind of, she wants these steps, they're drop steps, so I think they're gonna get hung up on stuff, but she likes the way they look, so we'll see. But yeah, these are fuel, oh gosh, what are they called? fueled hammerhead, 20x9 with a +20 offset, compared to my -38 offset with a 1-inch spacer. So you kind of see the difference. The blacked out headlights, I mean, it just looks phenomenal. It's a great looking vehicle in person, and I'm so impressed with the power with 35's. It's incredible. So anyways, just wanted to show you what I got going on. I was hoping she didn't like it, and then I was going to sell my daily driver and let her buy something else, and I'll take this over. But she likes it. So all right, guys, see ya.